onesie right now because it's literally like freezing, raining, and thundering. Like, how cute is that? God, that's adorable. Yeah. You know. Again. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's me Lexi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing another awesome video. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing my huge fidget haul because most of you have been asking me to do my huge fidget haul. I did my small, I did my medium, and now I'm doing my huge. And I think next year or in December, I may, or in January, I may be doing my ginormous fidget haul. So stay tuned. Anyways, let's get started because I'm so excited and yeah, and I'm freezing cold. To let you know. So, just if you wanted to know, I have 107 fidgets in total. Cool, huh? Cool. Okay, let's get this started. That's face, by the way. So let's start with my puppets. Yes, okay. Actually, I'm just gonna take things out. So here is actually my first ever puppet. I'm gonna be a bit quick because or else we're like 3 days long. So my green hexagon puppet. Then I have this cotton candy blend pink square puppet. This puppet, and it's a hard shell puppet. I have this lollipop puppet. I got this baby pink puppet. I got this unicorn puppet. I got this octagon puppet. And I think, oh no, okay. I have Christmas tree puppet, and I think that includes the puppet. Yeah. Wait, I said I'm just gonna pull things up. What the heck am I doing? Anyways, then I have my green jumbo stress ball. Woo! I have my dimple, my classical dimple. Who doesn't like a normal classical dimple? Pop you. Slinky. Oh no, why is this stuck again? Anyways, this thing is you have to put it in the middle and try to hit it. He's a robot, by the way. You just cannot see him. A little mini caterpillar. This maze thing, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a maze thing. I have another one of these. It will come up eventually. I have this, and I like making sounds with this. Wait, let me try to make one. No, that wasn't a sound. That's really funny. I like doing that with it. I have my mini Slinky. So adorable. I have my poppet purse. Also have my poppet bag. I'm sure you saw it. Just saying. Then I have this. It's a poppet bracelet. I have this. It's a foam texture. Really cool. It's a little octopus. This mini needle. This poppet fidget spinner. This see-through fidget spinner. This Orbeez glitter stress ball. Puzzle ball and puzzle ball. I had another one of these. I know, but sadly, the other one got all dried. But the green's still alive, so you know. Monkey noodle, purple glittery monkey noodle. This pastel puppet bracelet, puppet bracelet, puppet bracelet, puppet bracelet, puppet bracelet, yeah, puppet bracelet, you know. I have this putty, Mickey Mouse mini puppet, so satisfying to say. How's this stuck? Literally. Snapper, and the Heart mini puppet. I I got this like kind of like a Rubik's Cube. It's just of Secret Lives of Pets. So cool. I got this puzzle piece puppet. Stay here, puzzle ball. This centipede fidget. So fun. Actually, Riley's favorite fidget. My snake. My, what are these called? What are these called? Infinity cubes and my other infinity cube. My wacky track. This orange monkey noodle. I have this pink monkey noodle. I have this bike chain. I got this yellow marble mesh. I got this jumper. That was a bit big. I got this Lucky Leaf mini poppet. I got this like this little jumper guy pen. I got this mini pink pop tube. I got this octopus, flippy octopus, and flips to the other side too. This slime, mochi, 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 and mochi. Then I have this hedgehog mochi too. It's scented. Look at that, how cute. Lemon scented, by the way, if you were wondering. I have this puppet bracelet. I got this pea popper. I got this squishy. This unicorn slime. A lot of these cube dimples. Pineapple mini poppet. Fidget pad. One of my favorite fidgets. No, actually favorite fidget, by the way. And by the way, I would like to name a thank you to my friend who gave me this. I love you so much. Celine. This is her name, Celine. Two Airstress balls, pink and purple. Triple dimple. Then I have two spike balls. Light up moon ball. White fidget spinner. Little puzzle ball. Another jumper. Orange mini pop tube. A stretchy man. Another stretchy man. I have this mini cube, which is so cute, and it's even a keychain. I got this golden acupressure ring. I got this Orbeez stress ball. I got these magnet rings. Orange fidget spinner. This cube, and I got 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 this fish slinky. It's adorable. Gobble. Purple fidget spinner. Puppet ball. This bowl, dress ball. Pink lipstick slime. There's slime inside. Panda squishy. This bendy man. Maze cube. Squishy bun. Putty. And also new to my fidget collection, I have this new shimmer Stardust needle. Yes, Stardust shimmer needle. And it's blue. It's really nice. It's beautiful. And if you don't believe that this is actually a needle, I actually have the package of it right over here. Actually. Right there. So, you know. And by the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing like a onesie and then shorts, that's because it's like not freezing outside, but like it's still raining and thundering, so like. So anyways, guys, that was my whole big fidget haul, and I really enjoyed showing you guys the stuff. Look it, woohoo! Just to me and my fidgets. So beautiful, too beautiful. I love you, fidgets. I love you so much, forever and ever. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!